आयतारा पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदींच्या जन्मदिसा निमतान सेवा दिवस मार्फत वेस्ट कलेक्शन सेंटराचे सेक्रेटेरिएटान मुखेलमंत्र्याच्या हस्तुकी उक्तावण जालें.
This wall is full of glass.
Yeah.
So we have saved lot of cement, stone. So that's why this is eco-friendly.
See, today Honorable Chief Minister inaugurated this waste collection center for Secretariat and Assembly in the Secretariat and Assembly complex. This has been done at the initiative of Department of Science and Technology Pollution Control Board and earlier Solid Waste Management Cell. And this has been completed by Deccan as part of their CSR activity. A lot of material has been used here, which is recyclable material, around 4,000 recyclable material like bottles have been used, debris has been used, and this will go a long way to help the Secretariat and the Assembly to manage waste in-house.
भौशीक सुवातांचेर सोरो पिवन बाटल्यो फोडून मेळत ते वटेन उडयतल्यांचेर सरकार कडक कारवाय करतले. सोऱ्याच्या दुकाना लागसार जरी कोण सोरो पितना कायदो मोडिल्लो दिसत तर त्या सुवाते लागसारच्या दुकानदाराचे परवाने रद्द करपाचो कायदो तयार करपाक सरकार गंभीर आशिल्ल्याचें मुखेलमंत्र्यान शेनवारा स्पश्ट केलां. आरडीएक्स खातीर मोळाच्यान संजय मनोली.
Operators working in the highways to clean up Ponni right from Kalamba to Toka to Donapaula. Every area will be totally cleaned up for once. After that, I think the city can take over to maintain it. And citizens has to participate. तुम्ही participate केला ना तो सांगता बरोबर आमची सगळ्यांची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आहे. म्हजी आसा. I have started following my responsibility. Are you?
Yes.
I want all of you to follow that same responsibility. Just say no to plastic.
Yes.
Say no to glass. They are in process after a proper consultation of banning or restricting glass bottles, beer glass bottles. By October end, we are coming with adequate notification laws. People who drink in public places, including outside the shops, who sell packed bottles, the shopkeeper's license will be suspended, and those who are drinking like that will be arrested. Only I am waiting for law to be put in place. Let us now concentrate on certain discipline to ourselves. First, Swachh Bharat. Under that, let us decide that we will not generate waste. If it is required to be generated or it gets generated, then we will try to dispose of it ourselves within our home or neighborhood. आणि जर तरी सुद्धा बाहेर वचचे पडले म्युनिसिपालिटी कडे जाल्यार it will be done through a proper procedure established by municipality. आम्ही आज सेक्रेटेरिएटाक कलेक्शन सेंटर चालू केला. सेक्रेटेरिएटाक कलेक्शन सेंटर चालू जालें की कोण सेक्रेटेरिएटान जर वतात सरकारी नोकर कामाक जाल्यार ताणें आपलो घरचो गार्बेज घेवन थंय गेले आतां. आफ्टर फ्यू डेज यू विल गेट अ सर्क्युलर. तशी कलेक्शन सेंटर पणजेन येतली, पणजे भायर येतली, सो दॅट पीपल डोंट हॅव टू थ्रो अवे गार्बेज. दे आर ऑल्सो थिंकिंग ऑफ मोबायल गार्बेज कलेक्शन सेंटर. कदंबाच्यो पोन्न्यो बशी आतां पळय 15 वर्सां त्यो मॉडिफाय करून तातूंत गार्बेज घेवपाची वेवस्था आनी त्यो गाडयो वचून वेगवेगळ्या जाग्यार वचून कलेक्शन करपाक वतल्यो. आतां ह्यो सगळ्यो कल्पना काही येणाऱ्या 6 म्हयन्यान जातल्यो, काही 3 म्हयन्यान जातल्यो, काही वर्सान जातल्यो. पण 2020 पर्यंत गोवा हॅज टू बी गार्बेज फ्री.